How to sync Govee lights to your TV. First, install the Govee lights. Attach the Govee TV backlight around the back edges of your TV and connect the controller and power. Step 2. Mount the camera. For current Govee camera-based backlights, mount the camera at the top of the TV, positioned so it can see the entire screen. Govee says the top position helps prevent ceiling light reflections from affecting color detection. Step 3. Connect it to Govee Home. Open Govee Home, search for your specific TV backlight model, and complete the initial setup. Step 4. Calibrate the camera. Start camera calibration in the Govee Home app and follow the on-screen calibration instructions. This is important because the camera needs to correctly map the areas of your TV screen to the corresponding LED sections. Govee provides separate camera and color calibration steps for its current TV backlight models. Step 5. Turn on the TV sync. After calibration, select the TV backlight in Govee Home and enable its video/TV color matching mode. Now the camera watches the TV and the LEDs reproduce the colors from different areas of the screen in real time. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.